Welcome to Sylvia Stingray. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's me, Sylvia, your Yuri Manhwa translator. Hey guys, good morning. Let me present you the new chapter of Wishful Account, chapter 23. So here it is. Let's read the story. Back to Chui and Singyu. Wow, Sister Singyu is here too. The person next to you is well, the girl seems to be curious. We see, she is my friend, Shan Chui. Hello, Sister Chui. She put down the drinks on the table. No, call me Sister Shaoshan. Well, that little Sister Shan, idols who attach to great importance to the relationship with their seniors. Well, Chui, she was gesturing. It was a no. No, just call me Shaoshan, thank you. Well, okay, Shaoshan. Wei Xin, it seems to be a nice person, and said, "Oh, yes. Wei Xin, come here quickly. The sisters are here." Well, the girl, she looks really timid. Come on. She was still in the kitchen and doing something. Let me introduce you to Lu Exin, my childhood friend, is an ordinary female college student. Wei Xin said to them. Well, the girl seems to be timid. Lu Wenxin, secondary female students of the Beijing University Management Institute, Teacher Shen, Senior Sister Shan. Do you know me? I'm a sophomore at Peking University. When I first entered the school, my senior assistant happened to come back to school to give speech and I have honor to listen. Wow, speech. Everyone seems to be praising her. I'm lucky to have opportunity to give speech. Now, she was laughing. Well, everyone seems to be getting fun on her. Okay, well, let's talk about the rest later. It's time. Let's eat first, Facey said to them. So, it turns out the robot already came in. So, at the show, they're using the robots to promote something. Well, definitely. Now, it was a good marketing strategy for Tree's company that the robot has been advertised on the show. Well, the robot bringing the food inside. It seems that Chewie, she got really surprised about this. Eh, our little robot, it was here. It seems that everyone is staring on the robot. That's right, it's the first intelligent robot. Don't know how to cook, don't want to wash dishes. Sushang Smart Home can help you to take care of every aspect of your life. Well, the girl seems not to know that Chewie is the owner of Shushang. Well, it really makes sense, right? Let's see on what's gonna happen. This seems to be getting interesting. How can it be like this? This ad is so inserted. Why are you so surprised? You are not the title sponsor. I didn't know that they would arrange robots here. Enter that. Steve. Speeches. Isn't it written in the contract? Well, definitely written. But how can I say that I didn't read it all and ruin my image? Now, it makes sense. Haha, I'm so hungry. Let's go eat. Chewie said to them. Well, just to save her face from being not well informed. I can cook some home cooked dishes, so please just eat it. For all this done by Lu Shumei, well, don't compromise, it's look pretty good. Teachers, can you hear me? You can even eat and still have to complete the task. No way, if you play tricks on me again, I will really withdraw my investment. Not really, not really. Let's first listen to what the rector said. Everyone has worked hard today. There are no other plans for evening, so everyone should have a good rest. Get up 6:20 in the AM. Well, 6:20. Crazy. It's so early. I must not get up. Chui, she's been complaining on herself. Everyone seems to be complaining. Well, I wish you all a happy meal and rest early, the director said to them. Well, this is really getting crazy. The director team started to work again. You must have to put a lot of effort. When you came here this afternoon, what task did you do? Well, she seems to be asking someone. Touch the chicken, cleaner. It seems that everyone has worked today, and not only the two of them are really getting tired. Everyone seems to be getting tired. It sounds even more miserable than the task you and I have to complete it. The program crew asked us to catch the free-range chicken, thinking that this would be difficult task. Top Star caught the chicken. I will definitely watch this segment when the show airs. Chewie, she was laughing, and also she looks really happy about this. I think you just want to take this opportunity to laugh at me. Now, everyone has laughing. It seems that they're really getting closer to each other. Finally, when it's time to sleep, Chewie, she was really surprised. This room, we're going to sleep tonight. It was really tight and also it was really small. After saying this, they actually made us to live in the stairwell. They invest my investment. I absolutely want to withdraw my investment. Oh, on the right side, this is the same as on Harry Potter. The vets were clean. I would feel depressed if I live in the room like this for a long time. It's a place to sleep, so let's make do with it. Now, she was not complaining, but she looks really tired. Fortunately, we live in the same room. If slept alone in such a crowded places, I would have a nightmares. Two is said to seeing you. Now, it's getting late, but it seems that Chewie, she's not falling asleep. Well, could it be that there's something wrong with her? Since seeing you already awakened, well, I just woke you up. Chewie, can't you sleep? Sorry, I can't move. Chewie said to her. Well, it seems that there really is something wrong. If you can't sleep, we can chat for a while. It's not that I can't sleep. I just feel like there's something behind me. Oh, it seems that there's really a problem. When she's looking on the fog, it seems that there's a bug who's entering on her clothes. Well, this must be really getting tough on her. Help! How can there be such a big fox? Now, silently, sitting up in shock. Help! Chewie! She was screaming. Also, she looks really afraid. Well, the nutrition in the mountain is good so the insects can grow more freely. Chewie, there's also some green slime on your pajamas. Xingyu said to her. So, it turns out this is really bad. It seems that Chewie, she's really afraid of the bugs. And also, she take it up slowly. Well, Chewie, she must really scared of this. Look at her expression. It seems that she was going to scream. But suddenly, she moved closer seeing you and hug her tightly and asked her, "It is still on me." Now, she seems to be really scared about this. Well, poor Chewie, she must really exhausted about this. Fortunately, the clothes inside were not stained. Senius said to her, now she's trying to calm her down, but looking at Chewie, no, I refuse to lay in that bed again. Well, you, can I sleep with you tonight? Julius said to her. Now, let's see on what's gonna happen next. Hey guys, thanks for supporting. Thank you for joining membership. Alexandra Kovacs. Hey guys, thanks for watching. If you like the video, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Membership is slowly open. For those who want to support, you can support me by joining a membership or you can directly support me via Ko-Fi. Thank you, bye.